Careful.
I got you. Jump on him.
Like hop.
Run. Hop.
Yeah. Run a lot. It doesn't work.
Faster the better. Don't go slow.
Alright, whatever.
That one was actually kind of fun.
That was the best ride yet.
No, I think you should try that one.
I'll be right here, babe. I'll block you.
You can just go, like, turn the side in. You won't let you die. Don't worry. That was a good one, actually.
I got it. I got the video.
Hey, babe.
Alright. I'll get you going. Hold on, let
Sit
me
down
get...
and pull yourself like
Let me
this.
get... Yeah, just like sort of... I just pushed myself once I was sitting.
Yeah, no, put.
Oh my god.
You got this! Woo!
Definitely have to get me around for that thing.